Mapua-palooza!
We're ready!
So hello Enko and Sonata. It's always a pleasure to have you perform, and it's no different from today's event, which is our Foundation Week. So I just have a few questions about your bands. So far in our event, what was your favorite part during the performance at Mapua-palooza? Anyone?
Sige, for Enko siguro, it was really a pleasure for us to perform again, especially in Mapua-palooza. I think our favorite moment, especially, was when we sang our originals and people started singing along. It was really exciting for us because our music was able to reach many people, especially here in Mapua MCL.
So fulfilling bilang artist na alam ng mga tao yung songs nyo, di ba? So Sonata naman.
I think yung like them, yung alam ng audience yung song namin. Sobrang
Nakakataba ng puso.
yes. Nagulat ako personally. So like kanina sobrang medyo naiyak ako kanina pero yeah.
For our next question, what's something people don't see behind the scenes that artists go through?
Maybe yung yung pag-practice namin and building our own chemistry. Important yun. Pero as a six-piece band, it's hard to gain. But yeah, we're there.
Especially medyo magkakalayo yung schools nyo, di ba? Yan. Isang challenge pa yun bilang band.
Yes.
For Enco naman,
For Enko, I think same lang. I think we really value yung oras namin, especially since we're also students. So finding the time to rehearse properly and actually be together. Actually, mga practice namin, halos ngayon lang kami ulit na kompleto. So I think that's what people should realize then, that we put a lot of effort into delivering the quality of our performances, especially since people are expecting like good things from both bands.
so like in what I see, it's more of like a work and passion balance. Yun talaga yung mahirap bilang bands. And yung chemistry, of course. Kailangan magkakasundo lahat. My third and last question to wrap this all up. What are your personal favorite songs and why? So isa-isa to.
Ano ba yan? Sa both bands?
Yeah,
Or
both bands.
Both bands. Siyempre, di na pwede sa sa Enco. So Sonata naman, favorite ko, which is hindi namin tinugtog ngayon, is Talo Inip. So tinugtog namin siya nung Paskuhan. Ayun.
Alright. Is this a favorite song or
Yeah.
like in general?
Yeah.
I think ano ba? A big siguro influence din sa playing and sa Paramore, Last Hope. Yeah. Yeah.
For me, personal favorite ko talaga yung Dahilan ng Ben and Ben. Unreleased song, but yeah.
Actually, same lang rin yung aking personal favorite, which is Last Hope. Pero siguro parang medyo maiba ng slight. Another, siguro kapantay na personal favorite ko ng Last Hope is yung You'll Be Safe Here by Rico Blanco.
Pwede ba mag-iba na sagot? Akala ko para sa banda namin eh.
It's a personal favorite.
Personal favorite. Personal favorite ko po ay Yugyugan na by KZ.
Personal favorite ko yung tinugtog namin kanina, Araw-Araw by Ben and Ben.
Wow.
So yung set nyo kanina.
Ano yung sagot ko? Pagtingin by Ben and Ben is my favorite.
Ben and Ben fans. No? Dami dito.
My Heart by Paramore.
Paramore.
Sorry, medyo iba yung gusto kong genre. K by Cigarettes After Sex.
Ganda din. Great says, guys.
Cool. Paramore.
So that wraps up our interview for Enco and Sonata. This is Ken Calvelo, a production staffer of Kamalayan.